Hi, my name is Vaishnav. I'm studying in grade 6. So today we are going to learn fiber to fabric. What is fiber? Fibers are long, strong and flexible thread-like materials. Examples are cotton, jute, coir, wool, silk, nylon, polyester, terrysilk, terrywool, etc. What are the three types of fibers? The first one is natural fiber, which also has two types, which is plant fiber and animal fiber, and the second one is synthetic fiber or human-made fiber. The third one is mixed fiber. What are the advantages and disadvantages of natural fibers? Advantages. These fabrics absorb more water and sweat. They allow air to pass through. They are biodegradable and do not affect the environment. Disadvantages. They do not retain their creases for long. They may shrink on ordinary washing. They can be easily attacked by moths and molds. They do not dry rapidly. Natural silk is very expensive and quite not affordable. What is human-made or synthetic fiber? The fiber that are made by humans from different chemicals in the industries are called human-made or synthetic-made fiber. What is synthetic fabric? The fabric made up of synthetic fibers is called synthetic fabric. What are the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fabrics? Advantages. Synthetic fabrics are more durable and easy to maintain. They do absorb much water, dry up fast, and are wrinkle-free. Synthetic clothes are not attacked by moths and molds. Disadvantages. They do not allow the air to pass through them and hence it is not good for summers. They do not absorb sweat. They easily catch fire. They are non-biodegradable. The chemicals used for manufacturing pollute the earth or water bodies, so they are harmful to the environment. What is mixed fiber? The fiber made by blending the natural fibers with synthetic fibers to obtain superior and useful fibers are called mixed fibers. Examples are terrycot, which is terryline plus cotton, terrysilk, which is terryline plus silk, terrywool, which is terryline and wool. Cotton is a soft fiber that grows around the seeds of cotton plant. The cotton seeds are grown in the black soil and warm climate. In India, cotton grows in states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Cotton cultivation. The cotton seeds are planted in early spring, March, in well-prepared fields. Cotton seeds grow steadily. The fruits of the cotton plant are called cotton bolls. The cotton bolls grow slowly and small seeds and cotton fibers develop. A fully mature cotton seed is of the same size of a lemon. Cotton important points. Cotton plant needs a temperature about 25 degrees Celsius and a rainfall about 60 to 100 centimeter for their growth. The cotton plant is bushy and about 1 to 2 meter length. In India, cotton grows from March, which is spring, to September, which is winter. Ginning. The cotton fibers are separated from their seeds by the process called ginning. Traditionally, spinning done by hands using steel combs. Modern spinning technologies roller gin bales. Ginned cotton is pressed into bundles called bales. Spinning. Spinning is the process of changing fiber into yarn. Twisted of fiber together in a long continuous thread is called yarn. The two hand operated devices for spinning are hand spindle or takli, charka. Spinning or yarn on a large scale is done on spinning machines. Weaving. The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric with the help of a handloom or powerloom is called weaving. Weaving of fabric on a handloom. like you see here. Knitting. In knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Knitting can be done by the hands using knitted needles. Jute. Jute is a long, soft, shiny plant fiber obtained from the stems of the jute plant, which is patsan or path in Hindi. It is also known as golden fiber. Advantages of jute: biodegradability, durability, and strength. Which are the states jute grows in India? West Bengal, largest producer, Assam, and Bihar. Du- Climate required for jute. Jute cultivation needs hot and humid climate and rainfall high rainfall about 200 centimeters. What kind of soil jute grows? Well drained fertile soil like alluvial soil. Cultivation of jute. The cotton seeds of jute are sown in March or April. It is a rainy season crop. Jute plant grows from 6 to 12 feet height. It bears yellow flowers. The plants are cut during the flowering stage because the good quality of jute obtained from young stem. Otherwise, stem becomes very hard and is difficult to remove the fibers from it. After harvesting, the stalks of the plant are tied into bundles and left in stagnant water, which is known as pond, for about 20 days. In stagnant water, bacteria grow easily, so the sticky matter that holds the fibers to the inner part of the stem is eaten away by the bacteria. This process is called retting. Fifth one. When the stems rot, the fibers are spreaded by hands. The fibers so obtained are dried in the sun and tied into small bundles. These bundles are sent to the mills. They are spun and woven into textiles at the mills. Uses of jute. Jute is the second most important fiber after cotton. It is used for making gunny bags or sacks. High quality jute is woven into curtain carpets, chair coverings, and packet for linoleum. Shopping bags, table mats, jute beads, and jewelry are also made from jute. Jute are extensively, extensively used in packing cereals like wheat, jowar, and maize. Some other uses of useful fibers, which are wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. Removing the fleece from the sheep is called shearing. Silk. Silk was first developed in China. It was obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. Each silkworm spins a thread up to 800 meter long. The cocoon is boiled in water to kill the worm, and it is then unwound to get the silk fiber. The rearing of silkworm for production of silk is called sericulture. Now we move to the question and answers. First one, classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. Synthetic. Nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester, jute. State whether the following statements are true or false. Yarn is made from fibers. Spinning is the process of making fibers. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. The process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. Polyester is a natural fiber. Third question, fill in the blank. Plant fibers are obtained from dash and dash. Animal fibers are dash and dash. Now the answers are, first one is, the first answer is wool, cotton, jute, silk. Synthetic fibers are nylon and polyester. Second one, answers are, first is true, second is false. because the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. Now third one is false because jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. And the fourth one is true. The fifth one is true. The sixth one is false because silk fiber is obtained from the cocoon of silk moth. The seventh one is false because polyester is a synthetic fiber. Third question, fill in the blanks. The answers are fruits, stems for the first one. The second one is wool and silk. From which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Name two items that are made from coconut fiber. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. Answer is cotton is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant. Cotton seed, which is a fruit which on ripening splits open to release white fibers of cotton. Jute is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Name two items that are made from cotton fiber. Answer. Two items made from cotton fiber are ropes and mats. Sixth one. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. Answer. The process of making yarn from fiber are called spinning. Fibers from a mass of yarn, cotton, wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form yarn. Describe the process of the formation of yarn from cotton wool. What are looms? Answers is the cotton wool is obtained from cotton plants. The cotton plants are grown in fields. They are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. The fruits of the cotton plants are called cotton bolls or about the size of lemons. After maturing, the bolls burst open and seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. From the cotton bolls, cotton is picked by hands. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. It is done by hand or by machines. These fibers are then converted into yarn. What are looms? Answer. The device on which weaving of fabrics takes place are called looms. The looms are either hand operated or power operated. Seventh question. What happens when yarn from a torn sock is pulled? Answer. When we pull a yarn from a torn sock, then a single yarn gets pulled out continuously as the fabric gets unraveled. Socks are made up of knitted fabrics from a single yarn. What is fiber? Dash are long, strong, and flexible thread-like materials. The answer is fibers. Examples jute, cotton, jute, coir, wool, silk, nylon, polyester, terry silk, terry wool, etc. What are the three types of fibers? So the three types of fibers are natural fiber, synthetic fiber, and mixed fiber. What is mixed fiber? The mixed fiber made by blending the dash with dash to obtain superior and useful fibers. Examples are terracotta is equals to terry silk is equals to terry wool is equals to terracotta is so the mixed fiber made by the blending the natural fiber with synthetic fiber. Examples are terracotta, which is terry line plus terry cotton, terry silk, which is terry line and silk, and terry wool, which is terry line and terry and wool. Question and answers. Second one. State whether the following statements are true or false. Yarn is made from fibers. Spinning is the process of making fibers. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. The process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. Polyester is a natural fiber. So the first one is true. The second one is false. The third one is false. The fourth one is true. The fifth one is true. The sixth one is false. The seventh one is false. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe.